What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And before moving on with the review, I have read somewhere that if you keep your mouth shut, you prove yourself that you are wise. But if you open your lips, then you clear all the doubts. So today we have a movie that I recently watched. It's called Moza Miracle, the Turkish movie, and it has a very good message. The number one thing is let's give you a little synopsis. What the synopsis is all about. It's about a teacher Mahar who is living in a very beautiful place with his family, but unfortunately he is being transferred to a remote village, and to go to that remote village, he has to cross many mountains. So even the roads are not made at that place, and he has to go on a foot. But once he reached there, he found out that the people over there are not welcoming, and suddenly he tells them that who he is, and they respect him and they let him come because that tribe. The children are desperate for education and they have been illiterate for ages, and the two things that they have famous from them are cavalries and cavities, and you will really learn what I am talking about in the movie, and it will also be helpful what it is all about. What happens is they give the message here that sometimes it happens that authorities never pay heed to the people and their needs and necessities and the basic needs that they really care about, but suddenly they just show up their monopoly or their power over the people, and that doesn't feel good to them. That's the story of their tribe, and they are not being on a friendly terms with the authorities, so that's why they are isolated from the community and they are living away. So teacher Mahar goes there, and finally he found out that he cannot open a school here because of some of the crisis that going in the capital, and then he meditated the night, and the tribesman, the leader Daud, sorry for mispronunciation, he says to him that kindly try your level best. It's a matter of pride, prestige, and especially for our community and the children's development. Okay, and then it happens because he goes there and he asks that what should be done. So there is a little comedy that is being created by teacher Mahar, and you will really enjoy it. What he did to make it sure that he can prove his worth being there, and how he lives there, and how he calls and trying to make sure that he stays there. And the tribe's leader, he has a son also who is handicapped. In that tribe, that is a tradition that the women goes to another area to pick a bride, and then they get married. And since he is handicapped and there is no one who get to marry with him, because they said that okay, we don't need to think about it, and the mother is also upset, but the father is also upset, but who cares. But Aziz has always a good friend, and his good friend is his horse, and moreover his new teacher, he is very kind and very helpful, and he is creating a good community, and he is trying his level best to give them the education, not only the what is that, the basic education that they need, but also the development of the society. And that's how he liked the children to mingle with Aziz, and then not to pick fight or anything because of his situation. One day what happens that now they are coming in a good terms, and they are telling their warriors also to go and give in yourself and give a good example, so that the children will also live peacefully, and this place will have a peace and harmony. So they did so. During that time, the tribe chief went to the court, and at that time there was a guy who was about to be killed, and then he saved that guy. And now it's from one tribe leader to another tribe leader, and he said that I did it just because being human, I have to do my responsibility, and I did it, and I bear my responsibility towards you. And he said, no, you cannot go like this. In our culture, we have what is that? We have a tradition that we should really respect the person, and we should offer something to him. He said, I don't need anything. It's just man to man. And he said that I promised to give my daughter to you. And he said, no, you don't need to be like this, because you don't know who my son is. And he's being honest there, and he said that yes, my son is handicapped. And again you have to think. He said, no, I have given you my word, and I will fulfill that word. And thus happens another chapter that you really need to witness what happens next is that now the women over there, they went to their tribe to see the bride, and once they see the bride, they are shocked to see that she is beautiful than all the brides in the tribe, and that is a miracle that happens in his life. And once she comes back, everyone is shocked, and now they were well wishers of Aziz, but once they found out that he picked the very beautiful bride, and thus create a grudge or enmity between the people and community over there, and they are not welcoming, and they are saying many bad words to both of them. Will they be able to bear all these? Are they really meant to stay in that community? What they will do, and what are the consequences they have to bear because of the words of the community? That's all about miracle Moza, and that miracle happened in his life. And I hope you will really like this movie, and if you will have any recommendations, kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if other things that you really wanted me to review, please do so, and have a great week. Bye bye.